also come across what is known as a double Battement Fondu. So let's have a look at that. So from the fifth position, a double Battement Fondu would go to the coup de pied position, but then you would extend the underneath knee, so it's stretched. It will then fondu as you take the leg out, and everything will arrive together. So it starts with the coup de pied, you stretch the knee, then as you bend the knee you extend, and then make sure everything arrives together. Looking at it to the back, and stretch, and through, and then everything arrives together. So you will see there's a little bit more work for that supporting leg to do in a double Battement Fondu. But the same rule applies, that it both has to work at exactly the same time. So you will see my foot hits the coup de pied at the same time as I bend the other leg. I then keep that foot in the same position. It doesn't move up the leg as I stretch the underneath knee. So from here, you stretch, keep that foot in the same place. Then from here, the leg starts moving, so you're going down and then both legs stretch at exactly the same time. It is also possible to do the double Battement Fondu on 3/4 point. I find this a really, really good exercise for students who are maybe looking at doing fouettes or turns on one leg, because it's very strengthening for that underneath leg. Because if you think about it, you're going in and up and down and out. So that underneath leg is just doing plie, rise. So you may find that you start to feel it quite a lot in the back of your leg. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have found this video useful. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. The full-length videos can be found at my website, tipsonballettechnique.com. You can also choose your next video by clicking from the selection here. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.